This is how we cook our turkey for Thanksgiving.
We use these browning bags. It makes cleanup a lot easier and it really reserves the juice if you're using it later.
Put it in the pan.
Put a little flour in the bottom.
Shake it a little to coat the bag.
Then use celery sticks on the bottom, and this will keep the turkey elevated off the bottom of the pan.
This turkey has been thoroughly thawed.
We'll unwrap it and being sure to have a pan underneath because it's going to be juicy. Now a lot of times there's a bag inside here, so lift the skin where the legs got tucked under and you can pull out all the gizzard and check and see if there's anything else. There's a little bone. We're not stuffing this turkey, so we're placing the drumsticks right back under this. Now on the other end, we're gonna lift the flap because that's where there's gonna be another thing we need to remove. Here is a bag, and you do not want to cook your turkey with this inside. Place the turkey inside. Rub the top with butter. We use old butter wrappers that I save in the refrigerator. Salt and pepper. Gather this all up and only use the special tie that comes in the oven bag box because it can withstand the heat of the oven. Cut 1/2-inch slots in the top to let the steam escape. Tuck the bag down in and place it in the oven. Follow your cooking instructions for the size turkey that you have. We're cooking at 350 for a 16-pound turkey for about 4 hours.